Good morning, TexLa team. I'm meteorologist Richard McAllister with your TexLa weather update for Wednesday, July 24th. On Monday, I told you the TexLa weather update would no longer be available via email. I'm sorry, I was confused. That decision has not yet been made. Still, I sense some ambiguity in the distribution process which may affect some viewers. So I encourage you to subscribe to the TexLa Weather Update on YouTube. Visit the link on the screen or go to YouTube and search at TexLa Weather Solutions. Doing so will ensure your continued access to the TexLa Weather Update if email becomes unavailable in the future. Current hazards include flood watches and warnings. Today's forecast calls for partly cloudy to overcast skies with up to an 80% chance of rain across portions of central, eastern, and coastal Texas and all of Louisiana. Brief heavy downpours may occur with some storms. More flooding is possible. Otherwise, sunny skies with little to no chance of rain further to the north and to the west. There's up to a 2% chance of severe weather today across portions of northern, central, eastern, and coastal Texas and all of Louisiana. The primary threat is damaging straight-line winds from isolated thunderstorms. Tornadoes and hail are far less likely. There is up to a 40% chance of new flooding across portions of northern, central, eastern, and coastal Texas and all of Louisiana. 1 river gauge is in flood stage this morning, 7 river gauges are in action stage, 27 river gauges are rising, 21 are falling. Tomorrow's forecast calls for partly cloudy to overcast skies with up to a 90% chance of rain across portions of northern, central, eastern, and coastal Texas and all of Louisiana. Brief heavy downpours may occur with some storms. More flooding is possible. Otherwise, sunny skies with little to no chance of rain further to the north and west. There is up to a 2% chance of severe weather tomorrow across portions of northern, central, eastern, and coastal Texas and all of Louisiana. The primary threat is damaging straight-line wind from isolated thunderstorms. Tornadoes and hail are far less likely. There's up to a 15% chance of new flooding tomorrow across portions of northern, central, eastern, and coastal Texas and all of Louisiana. There are 2 tropical waves in the Atlantic Basin. They pose no immediate threat to Texas or Louisiana. On Monday, I talked about the elongated high pressure building across the central Atlantic Basin. That high pressure continues to expand and intensify. This feature continues to increase the possibility of westward tracking tropical systems across the Atlantic and Caribbean. Tropical systems are being temporarily suppressed by the Saharan air layer. Saharan dust generally dissipates in early August. Then it's game on in the Atlantic Basin. NOAA is still calling for the most active hurricane season in history, so don't get lulled into a false sense of security. There is a minor to moderate risk of dangerous heat across all of Texas and Louisiana. The threat is expected to remain minor to moderate for the remainder of the week. Hey, thank you for watching today's TexLa Weather Update. Please subscribe on YouTube and hit the notifications button. Then the whole email issue becomes irrelevant. I'll see you again on Friday. Until then, have a great TexLa day.